And then when it comes to weight loss, I have lost, cheers guys. Ugh. Anyway, hi and welcome on my channel. So I have recently finished 25 years old. Sounds like a lot, at least for me. And as a birthday gift from myself to myself, I decided to purchase myself a juicer because I just got sucked into this Instagram feed showing people drinking celery juice every single morning, and it just looks so beautiful and green and sounds so healthy, and I was like, hey, this is going to be such an amazing gift for myself. Like, instead of buying a dress or whatever, I will buy myself this and I will buy myself health. And so I've been drinking the celery juice for 7 days in a row, and today I will share with you the footage, all the recipes that I have tried and all the benefits that are coming from drinking celery juice, and just basically how I feel and if I see any changes. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. But of course, before we do so, I would like to kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the notification bell, and let's go to the footage. Hey, so day one of the challenge started. Let me just put the machine together and we will start celery juice day one. So this is how my juice is looking like. I know that I should be putting this in this like super nice glass or cup, although I don't have energy for it, to be fair. And this cup that is coming with my juicer is pretty fine. And yeah, as you can see, the color is amazing. It's like super extra green, and it just screams health, you know? So yeah, let's do a taste test. Also, I forgot to tell you that we have 300 milligrams of that juice, and this is just coming from one whole celery with nothing else, no water, no apple, anything. It's just pure celery. So well, I drank much better things, I'm not gonna lie, but it's decent, you know? Like, you can yeah, it's not that bad, you know? I like weird stuff, so yeah, it's not bad, but it's not like the yummy juice I would like to drink in the morning. But I'm gonna do it for health. Hi, so today is day 2 of my celery juice, and I am planning on adding some apples to it just to give it a bit of, you know, a sweet taste and something, you know, just a bit better than just a plain celery. The plain celery is not that bad, but you know, I'm just experimenting to find my perfect combination. So let's see how this is gonna taste. So in this juice I put 2 small apples and this whole celery, and now we have, I'd say, almost 400 milliliters of juice, and the color is still super nice, super green. So yeah, let's try it. It's so much better. It's a bit sweeter and just nicer. I love it. This is actually not bad at all. Like a good 8 out of 10. Like, I could buy it in a shop for like 3 or 4 pounds and I'll be happy. 2 apples and 1 celery. This is the way to go. So today we are having celery, obviously, 1 apple and half of cucumber. Let's see how it's gonna taste with the cucumber inside. It's really nice. I like this color. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, not bad at all. I feel like every day it tastes a bit better, and every day I try to like experiment with taste, but I definitely prefer, I think, more apples than just 1, but I don't mind, to be honest. Morning guys, another day, another juice. Today is just plain celery because I was just too lazy to look for other fruits or go to the shop, so pure celery it is. But the color is super nice. Well, you know, a 5 out of 10. So as you can see, I have tried a lot of the recipes, and as for now, my favorite one is either just the plain celery if I am just in a rush, and also the color of plain celery is just, it just instantly makes me so much happier. But the other recipes I really like is combining celery with carrot, and especially combining celery, carrot and apple. This combination is really, really good. The color, not really, but it tastes so good. And then the other one is celery with lemon juice and mint. It's just really refreshing, especially in the morning when there's like sun out. It's really, really good. Sometimes I also add apple to it. And the other combination that I really like is combining celery with orange. It's very similar to lemon, but it has a little bit of like sweeter taste. So this is also really good. If I have oranges, I will combine them together. The taste of celery juice is just no. Honestly, I like all the vegetables ever, and I like celery as it is, but celery juice tastes a bit, you know, like a 2 out of 10, I would say. But definitely after a few days, you're getting used to the taste and it's just tasting better and better and better. I don't feel like I will ever drink celery juice and be like, this is so yum, because it is not. But you can get used to it for sure. Like after a few days, you're good to go. So my tip, if you're starting your journey with celery juice, will be to add apples or oranges or carrot or even lemon in the beginning, and maybe after a few days or a few weeks, you will be fine with the taste so that you won't have to put anything else into it. But the first few days can be a bit tough. Overall, I am really happy from the fact that I purchased this juicer. The juicer was really expensive. At least for me, it was £89, which obviously it is a lot. And I have purchased just like some random juicer from Amazon that I just saw that it's on sale and it has amazing reviews. So I just purchased this, and it is a brand Joku. I don't really know, but I can definitely recommend that juicer, and I will put the juicer down below. Celery in general is an amazing source of vitamin, such as vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, and also vitamin C. So it's like a huge combo of vitamins. Celery is also a great source of antioxidants, as well as it has anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it helps with treating asthma, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and also cancers. Obviously, it's not like, oh, you start drinking celery juice and then everything will go away. No, but it can definitely helps a lot. Also, they're saying that celery is great for cleaning your liver and also for the weight loss. So, when it comes to my own personal experience, I've been drinking celery juice for around 2 to 3 weeks, but recently I've done this challenge, let's say, that I was drinking it every single day. And to be fair, I don't really see like an amazing results, you know, obviously because it's been a really short amount of time, but definitely just mentally it feels so much better. I'm not sure if it's just placebo effect, but I definitely feel healthier and just like happier in the morning, and I feel like I'm taking care of myself, and then I'm putting something really good into my body. So even just for that aspect, it's really good to drink it. And then when it comes to weight loss, I have lost 2 kilos in the past 2 weeks, but I am not sure if it's because of the celery juice or it's just, you know, because it's getting warmer and maybe I'm eating a bit less, and I'm definitely more curious about what sort of food I'm eating so that there's not too much calories or like, you know, too much pasta or too much rice in one day. But it could be the celery juice. I don't know. They saying that celery juice helps a lot with digestion, and I don't really know because my digestion has been always great. I mean, beside the short period of my life when I gained a lot of weight and I've been struggling with it because of, you know, a lot of issues that I made videos here, but after I came back to my healthy eating schedule, because, you know, I am vegan and I'm trying to really eat as healthy as possible, my digestion you know, it's great. So I don't see any improvement with drinking celery juice. But yeah, as I said, like I have lost weight, so it could be the celery juice, but it could be something else. I don't know. Anyway, I am a huge fan of drinking celery juice. Not only celery juice, but juices in general. It is such a different feeling than having a smoothie, because smoothie has totally different texture and it's great for breakfast, for example. But then juice you can just have every time throughout the day. And also here in UK we have those sort of markets when you can buy these big bowls of vegetables and fruits just for £1, and this bowl of apples will last me for at least 2 to 3 days of regular drinking juice. The same is with celery. If I buy this like £1 bowl of celery, it will last me for at least few days. So it is great if you like drinking juices but you want to save a bit of money, because even though yes, you need to spend a lot up front for a juicer, whereas for example the nice fresh juice can cost even around 4, 3 to even £5. So this is definitely way more economical, you know what I mean, just, you know, good for your wallet. And that's it for today's video. Let me know if you are drinking celery juice or any juice in general, and what do you think? Do you like celery? You don't like celery? Let me know what is your experience in general in the comment section down below. And also if you want to see any other videos on my channel, also let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and all of the nice stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!